In this video, I'll show you the cautious drivers mod for GTA 4, which makes NPC drivers act more realistically by locking their car doors and reacting to threat like a real people. Check my video description for this mod link, select the download option and wait for 30 seconds and select the download now option and it will start downloading. And the same mod link, just scroll down, select the download option and select the start download option and it will start downloading. Once this both mod download done, right click on the ASL loader and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this mod, back up your GTA 4 game folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the GTA 4 folder, open this mod folder, drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Now go back and open this cautious traverse, drag and drop these two files inside the scripts folder, replace the file in the destination. Once this done, just close stuff here and launch the game. If you try to get into a car without a gun, the doors will stay locked. To steal the car, you must use a gun and point it at the driver. Point the gun for at least 10 to 20 seconds and the guy will get out and you can drive the car. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.